Hello friends, this video on quadrilaterals part 10 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Show that if diagonals of a quadrilateral bisect each other at right angles, then it is a rhombus. Let's see this. So this is a quadrilateral and it is given that these diagonals, they bisect each other at 90 degree, that is given, and this is equal to this is equal to this is also given. Let me first write some name to it: A, B, C, D, and this point B, O. So what is given? Given is all these angles are 90 degree. Angle DOC is equal to angle DOA is equal to angle AOB is equal to angle BOC, and now this is equal to 90 degree. One thing. Second thing, it is given AO is equal to OC and DO is equal to OB. These things are given. So we have to prove that it is a rhombus. Right? So what is rhombus? Rhombus is nothing but parallelogram with equal sides. Okay. See, the moment you say they bisect each other, I can say it is a parallelogram. Correct? Directly you can say it is a parallelogram because the diagonals bisect each other, it is a parallelogram for sure. Then I have to prove that AD is equal to AB. If I can prove that, that is fine. Correct? So I can say that since diagonal bisect, ABCD is parallelogram. The only thing I have to prove is AB is equal to CD. So to do this, what I can do is I can take these two triangles. Okay, both angle O is common, and this is AB, AOB, and here I have to prove AB is equal to AD, right? So AO is common. OB and OD will be same. So OB, this is OD, and this is A. Yeah. So AO is equal to A common side, correct? And AB, AD we don't know, but OD and OB we know. OD is equal to OB given, and this angle is 90 degree. So if you see side angle side, both the angles are triangles are congruent, and thus AB is equal to AD. Right? So we can say that triangle AOB and triangle AOD, okay, AO is equal to AO, common side, angle AOB is equal to angle AOD, that is given, OB is equal to OD, that is also given. Therefore triangle AOD is congruent to triangle AOB by side angle side. Therefore AB is equal to AD, and thus it is a rhombus because it is a parallelogram we have proved. And now if the adjacent sides are equal, that means, see, if it is a parallelogram, we know that AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Correct? Now if AB is equal to AD, if you map this, all the sides are equal. So that is one way of proving it. Other way, if you don't even prove that it is a parallelogram, just by proving the triangles to be congruent, you can prove that all the sides AB is equal to AD is equal to CD is equal to CB, and thus it is a rhombus. Okay, so we have to prove that the diagonals of the squares are equal and bisect each other at right angle. So we have a square, and let's see how the diagonal look like. This is one diagonal, and this is another diagonal. Okay, A, B, C, D, all the sides are equal since it's a square. and we have to prove that the diagonal of the square bisect each other at right angle. See, diagonal is what? A parallelogram. Okay, since it is a parallelogram, the diagonal will bisect each other. So AO will be equal to OC, AO will be equal to OC, and DO will be equal to OB. Correct? Because it is given. I can say diagonal of parallelogram bisect. Okay. Now we have to prove that the diagonals are equal. That is, AC is equal to BD and angle DOC is 90 degree. That is what we have to prove. Right? AC is equal to BD. Sorry. AC, BD. Yeah, both are same, and this angle is 90 degree. That is what we have to prove. So let's try to prove the first thing first. AC dB. See, AC is equal to dB. We can easily prove it. We can take this triangle and this triangle, and we can prove that they are congruent. So let's do this. Okay, so this is DAB and this is BAC. So if you see DAB, this angle is 90, this angle is 90, because they are angles of a square. These sides are all equal. Okay. So by SAS, they will be congruent. They are congruent to BD is equal to AC. That is done. So I can say that in triangle DAB and triangle CBA, just write here quickly, and DA is equal to CB, AB is equal to BA, and angle DAB is equal to angle CBA. Here 90 degree, here common, here sides of square, and thus they are congruent. Therefore, triangle DAB is congruent to triangle CBA by side angle side rule. Therefore, DB is equal to AC. First part is done. True. Okay, they are equal is proved. Bisect is by default. And now we have to prove that they are at right angle. That is, DOC is 90 degree. And that is pretty easy to prove. See, now we have proved that AO is equal to OC is equal to DO is equal to OB. Why? Because AC is equal to DB we have proved, and AC by 2 is AO, AC by 2 is OC, DB by 2 is DO, and DB by 2 is OB. So these are equal. Now if we take these two triangles, let's suppose this triangle and this triangle, we can easily prove that this triangle is congruent to this triangle, because two sides same, third side also same by SSS congruency. Thus this angle will be equal to this angle. Now this angle plus, let's suppose this angle is angle 1 and angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 plus, but angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree, linear pair. Thus angle 1 is 90 degree. Correct? Pretty easy to prove. So let's prove this. AOB, let's take this. AOB and other side B ADO. Yeah, AOB and AOD. AOB and AOD. So if you see AO, this is AO, this is AO, OB, and this is OD. Both are same. And AD and AB, they are also same. These two triangles are congruent. Right? Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOD by side. Therefore, angle AOB is equal to angle AOD. But angle AOB plus angle AOB and AOD is equal to 180 degree. That is linear pair. Correct? Now since they are equal, I can say AOD is nothing but angle AOD plus angle AOD is equal to 180 degree, or angle AOD is nothing but 90 degree. So one angle is 90 degree, that means they bisect at right angles. Okay. Thank you. Visit our website examfear.com to watch more and more quality education videos. You can also attempt free online tests that are there in our website. You can also get access to tons of free study materials, and you can also find free tutors and mentors in this website. Thanks a lot for watching.